Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show a simple way how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just, if you want, you can get $10 completely for free when you sign with a link in the description. And what you want to do is just be in home, click on Bitcoin, view asset, and go to right side buy Bitcoin. But there is another way how you can save money. So let's say that I want to pay with your wallet, I want to preview buy. And I can simply see that the Coinbase fee is going to be $2.99, right? But what you can do is this. You just be in Pro Coinbase account. And right here, you're going to have Euro account. And you can view the balance here. And you can simply deposit or withdraw. When you're going to deposit in Pro Coinbase, there's like advantage of Coinbase account where you can trade Euro. And you can transfer money from Coinbase if you're going to add money to your Coinbase account. And here, when you're going to buy Bitcoin, you can buy it for $0.50. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.